In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify TikTok Shop account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to expect on each screen, and how to submit the information TikTok needs so your shop can get verified smoothly. Start by opening the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to verify. Head to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. This keeps everything tied to the correct account and helps avoid confusion later. A quick tip before you begin: a stable internet connection and an updated app can prevent loading issues during verification. On your profile page, look to the top corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu that opens your account's management tools. From here, select Business Suite. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the menu and give it a second to load. Business Suite is where TikTok keeps all the tools related to your shop and business presence. Inside Business Suite, choose Business Registration. This is the dedicated section for verification. TikTok will guide you through a series of screens where you'll fill out the necessary details. Take your time here and enter everything accurately. Use your official business name and the same address that appears on your legal documents. When prompted, provide identification and any business documents the app requests. Clear, well-lit images of documents help the system read them properly. If you're asked to upload files, make sure they're not blurry, cropped, or cut off, and that they match the information you typed in. Consistency is key to avoiding delays. As you continue, follow the prompts on your screen. TikTok may ask for things like your business category, contact details, and tax or registration information. Review each page before you tap Submit. If the app flags a field, correct it right away so you don't have to restart the process. Keep an eye out for confirmation messages and save any reference number shown after submission. Once everything is submitted, you'll see a confirmation in the app and TikTok will begin reviewing your application. Processing time can vary, so check back in Business Suite for status updates. If you're asked for additional information, return to the same business registration area and complete what's requested. That's it. Open TikTok, go to Profile, tap the three lines, enter Business Suite, select Business Registration, fill out the required details, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. Take it slow, be accurate, and you'll set your TikTok shop up for success.